This is an A4 sized sketchbook paper and we are going to create a dot mandala on this. I found the center point and drew some circles. Let me tell you the radius of these circles now. This is 1 centimeter, this is 2, 5, 8 and 10. Since this is an A4 paper and the radius is maximum 10 centimeter, I have restricted with 10. And the angles that I marked here, 0 and 180 falls here. So here it is 45, 90, 135. And same thing is repeated here. And then I connected the dots. After I drew circles, marked angles and connected the dots, the grids are beautifully created. Let us start dotting. In this dot mandala, I am planning to use only two colors. One is turquoise blue, the other one is pink. Now using this turquoise blue color and this tool, I'm going to keep a dot in the center. Using this tool, I'm going to keep pink dots on the lines first. Now I have a little space in between any two dots in this circle. So I'm going to use this tool and keep two tiny dots. Now using this tool, I'll again keep turquoise blue dots on these lines, which is closer to this circle. It won't touch the circle line, but it will be as close to the line as possible. Now I'll keep one more dot here at an equal amount of space from the main dot, and I'm keeping dots only on the line. Now using a slightly bigger tool, I'm going to keep one more dot. Again, this is closer to the circle line here, but it won't touch it. Now using this tool, the big ball side of it, I'm going to walk the dots. Now using this tool, the small side of it, I'm going to walk the dots again in turquoise blue. Now using this tool, I'm going to keep blue color dots here. Now using one of the nail art tools that has the tiniest ball here, I'm going to keep dots around this dot. Keep multiple tiny dots. Every time you need to pick up the paint, so it requires a lot of patience. In this circle, we kept the main dot in blue and then first layer in pink, second layer in blue again. We are just going to reverse it in this circle. The main dot in pink, first layer in turquoise blue, and the second layer is again in pink. So that's how we are going to change it here. So let me keep pink color dots on the line first. Now I'm going to keep blue color dots. Now using this tool, I'm going to walk the dots in blue color. Now in pink color, I'm going to work the dots again with the same tool as I used earlier. Now I'm using the big ball side of the same tool to keep a swipe in the center, a straight swipe first. I made a small mistake while giving the swipe. If at all you do some mistake like this is how I correct. I take a small ball side of any of the nail art tool and then do the correction manually. It looks much better now. Now I'll use this turquoise blue and keep a side swipes. Now there is one outermost circle that is here. So I'm going to use this tool and keep a blue color dot on all the lines and one in the middle as well. Now using this one of the big plane tool, I'm going to keep pink color dots on top of each blue dot that I have kept. Now using this tool, I'm going to work the dots in this way. So here what I'm doing is I'm using this clay modeling tool, the smallest ball side of it, and I'm keeping straight work the dots in blue color. I'm sure this mandala came out so beautifully. You can also try creating it and let me know how it looks. Thank you.